So parliamentary proceedings have begun. Let's cross live.
नीतियों में मतभेद हो सकता है, विचारों में मतभेद हो सकता है, लेकिन देश सदन चलते हुए देखना चाहता है। देश के लोगों का मत है कि नीतियों विचारों में मतभेद हो, गंभीर मतभेद भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन ये विचारों में अभिव्यक्त होना चाहिए। और इसलिए समय समय में मैंने सभी दलों के नेताओं से चर्चा की, विचार विमर्श किया, व्यक्तिगत भी की, सामूहिक भी की। मेरा आज फिर आपसे आग्रह है कि आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस भी है और विश्व स्तर पर भारत के युवाओं ने शिक्षा, विज्ञान, अंतरिक्ष, विज्ञान, टेक्नोलॉजी, उद्यमिता, कई क्षेत्रों के अंदर विशेष पहचान बनाई है। आज उनका सामर्थ्य के कारण भारत का नाम दुनिया में भारत का नाम हो रहा है। देश का युवा भी चाहता है कि उनके विषयों पर चर्चा हो, छात्रों पर चर्चा हो। सरकार ने भी सहमति दे दी है, गृह मंत्री जी भी अपने वक्तव्य को देने को तैयार हैं। चर्चा हो, अन्य मुद्दों पर भी चर्चा होगी। सत्ता पक्ष और प्रतिपक्ष दोनों सहमति बनाएं, विचारों को विमर्श करें। लोकतंत्र में आपस में सहमति बनती है। मेरा आप सबसे आग्रह, पुनः आग्रह, निवेदन है, देश की भावनाओं को समझना चाहिए। देश चाहता है संसद चले, संवाद हो, चर्चा हो, और इसकी प्रतिष्ठा बनाने की जिम्मेदारी भी सामूहिक सबकी है। मेरा आपसे आग्रह रहता है हमेशा कि संसद की प्रतिष्ठा को मत गिरने दो। मतभेद हो सकते हैं, लेकिन संसद की प्रतिष्ठा को इस तरीके से तख्तियां, नारेबाजी से गिरना उचित नहीं है। आप सब वरिष्ठ नेता हैं, देश का नेतृत्व करते हैं। बालू जी, आप सीनियर लीडर हैं, मैं आपको अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करने का अवसर दूंगा। मेरा मत है कि प्रश्नकाल चलने दें। प्रश्नकाल के बाद आपको अपने विचारों को अभिव्यक्त करने का अवसर पर्याप्त दूंगा। प्रश्नकाल में चलने दें। आप तख्तियां लेकर सदन पे बैठे अपनी अपनी सीट पे विराजें। आप सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, मेरे बार बार आग्रह करने के बाद भी आप सदन में गतिरोध कर रहे हैं, ये लोकतंत्र के लिए उचित नहीं है। सदन की कार्रवाई आज 2 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
Left as far as the parliament monsoon session, that will come to an end, but again no business in the house has been allowed to function, and courtesy the opposition which continues to protest, and multiple appeals that have been made by the Lok Sabha speaker himself, and on the very issue as far as the home minister ready to make a statement and agreeing to the demands that have been made by the opposition, but as claimed by the BJP that the opposition continues to shift its goalpost, and they have been creating disruptions and disturbances in the House. So here is the Speaker, Om Birla, again making an appeal there as far as the opposition party MPs are concerned. You can see in the pictures they have been consistently standing and protesting and not allowing the House to function, and this is despite the government multiple times have been saying that they are ready for debate and discussion and asking the opposition to cooperate when it comes to the parliamentary proceedings. However, that doesn't seem to happen. As of now, Lok Sabha that has now been adjourned till about 2 p.m. and looking at the Rajya Sabha proceedings that have been taking place, but Pragya, day after day the same picture is being witnessed in the Lok Sabha at least.
Absolutely, Amita, and we have seen these scenes in the House previously also for past 2 weeks at least. And in fact, it is Lok Sabha Speaker who has been also requesting and appealing to opposition to let the House function. In fact, it is high time that the Lok Sabha Speaker said that both of you should discuss, debate, and Home Minister is ready to come to the House. Please don't lower the dignity of House, especially let the question hour run, because this is one of the important sessions where the issues of public importance are being discussed and ministers also get replied. So, this having said that, Lok Sabha Speaker also underlined the fact that disruption should end. There should be no disruption at all. The monsoon session is coming to the end. Speaker has appealed time and again that you should also ready to be listening to the government, and also there is a proposal from the government also to them that Home Minister will come and debate at length whatever they want to decide, and whatever they want to ask from the government, the answers will be there. But it looks like that the opposition is unrelenting. It looks like that they want debate on each and every topic. They also want Prime Minister to reply on Chanda Chori. So this is the kind of demands that opposition has put. At least, Lok Sabha Speaker was expecting opposition to not, create chaos and ruckus in the House today. Have extended some kind of support so that the Home Minister can come into the House and make a statement. But it looks like that Lok Jam will continue. Opposition is not relenting at all.
Can you talk us through, Pragya, what happened before the parliamentary proceedings began? Because on the same level, we are also looking at the NDA MPs who continue to hold protests against the opposition. And of course, why they are silent when it comes to Jharkhand protests.
Amita, this is now the time for the NDA MPs and BJP Jharkhand MPs to question Rahul Gandhi, because time and again, the Congress MPs have been protesting every day at the Makka Dwar ever since, July 20th. And in fact, we have seen they are demanding accountability and answers from Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, on that particular event and incident. And in fact, the table looks like that they have turned now. And in fact, it is Jharkhand MPs who are saying that either Rahul Gandhi should withdraw support from JMM, or he should demand a resignation from Education Minister, who is also the Chief Minister of the state. So if he is not doing that, then this is hypocrisy. And, BJP MPs have every right to also demand accountability from Jharkhand government on the kind of system we had seen, and the students are also protesting against the system. So it looks like that this is a problem of the system, but it is very unfortunate, Amita, also that this has taken a political turn rather than coming on the same forum, on the same table, saying that we need to improve the system. This is a systematic flaw. We need to also improve that for the aid and benefit of the students. It looks like politics has taken priority over issue of welfare students.
Well, that seems to be the point. Hardly any business of the House that has now been allowed to function, and reports suggested that the Home Minister is ready to speak in the House. This is something which the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister has himself said, but the opposition doesn't seem to be relenting on this issue, and have said that as far as their demands are concerned are non-negotiable. I believe that Pragya also, reached out to the MPs as well, a report that has also been filed by her when we talk about the NDA versus the Congress MPs who were holding protests before the parliamentary proceedings began.
This is a protest at Makka Dwar today, where the Jharkhand BJP MPs are accountability from Rahul Gandhi. And if you could just look at that, the security human chain, and beyond that is the protest by Congress and opposition parties. They are also having a verbal duel as far as organizing is concerned. While the Congress is saying ulta ko date, the BJP MPs are asking about accountability from none other than Rahul Gandhi. And in fact, this looks like a regular scene every day in front of Makka Dwar. And the protest site, and this time also the BJP is saying that when you also ask us about accountability, we also have a right to do that, and that too in the parliament. And that is why the BJP government and BJP MPs have upped the ante in the national capital, in the parliament, and also seeking accountability from opposition, saying that no hypocrisy will do. You also need to reply. This is Pragya Kaushik for Times Now.